to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well and staying safe. As you guys can tell by the title and the change of scenery in the background, I have officially moved out of New York City. So this move has definitely been very weird, just being away from New York after living there for 22 years. And you know, I even went to college in New York, so just being away from that area and coming to another state that is so different and alien to us has definitely been very interesting. It's gonna take some time to get used to and to make this house a home, but I'm really excited to do that, and I'm excited for all the new memories and all of the new beginnings we're gonna have at this place. I'm also someone who really thrives on fresh starts. I used to always be that girl who started all her goals and her resolutions on January 1st or on a Monday, because it's just like a fresh start. So having this whole change of environment, change of pace, all of that has been really refreshing. I'm excited to film more videos, to get fit, and to just do all the things that I wanted to do. Okay, I'm totally done blabbering. So without further ado, it is my pleasure to show you guys the rest of the house and to do the room tour.
Hi, welcome to our house.
Hey guys, welcome to our house. So I'm just gonna show you guys around real quick. So right here, this is a closet where we put all of our coats and stuff. And this is our formal sitting room. It's different than our living room, but I'm sure this place is gonna be like the least visited in the house. But it's a nice little cute sitting area. And we have all of our cute knickknacks on the wall. Okay, and now we're gonna go into the dining room. This is our formal dining room, so when we have guests over, but here it is. Also, please excuse the mess. We are moving in right now, so there's like a lot of stuff in the back, and we're just going shopping and ordering a bunch of stuff. So, yep. And here is our little china cabinet. Okay, so now let's go into the kitchen. But over here we have our garage, which I won't go into. This is our pantry. And our laundry room, which is super clutch because, as y'all know, in New York, it's kind of hard to wash your clothes like in your house, of course, because there's not much washers and dryers. So I'm really excited about the laundry room. But here's our kitchen, where I'll hopefully be cooking more and learning how to cook with my little sister and my mom. Okay, so here is our dining room. And I love all of the windows in the back because all the sun definitely comes into the room when we are eating breakfast and stuff. So now I'll show you guys the living room. This is definitely my favorite part in the house, personally. And I love our TV. Our dad just got a 75-inch TV, so he's really happy with that. We're watching Sister, as you can see. Okay, now we're gonna go down to the basement. Okay, so this is our extra bathroom in the basement. We also have a lot of storage space here, and we're stocked up with our toilet paper here because coronavirus. We also have a storage space here, which is awesome because we can just put all our random stuff here, all of our pictures and our games and stuff. And it's just really convenient to have space to put things in finally. So here is our basement. We have our fridge here, a microwave in case we have people over. It's not furnished yet. We're definitely thinking about furnishing it in the future, but for now this is great. We got another TV. We got a little couch there, which is nice. We also have a little bar area, so when we host and have some food, this is nice to have a countertop to just sit on and stuff. This is gonna be my dad's office, so I'll just show it really quickly. There's not much here as of now. Okay, so this is the room that I'm actually really excited for. This is gonna be our family room slash our gym. So it's like gonna be where we do all of our activities and stuff. So we actually organized some of it already. So this has all of our crayons, markers, pencils. As you guys can see, we love painting. So we have a bunch of paint here and brushes and stuff. This thing has all of our board games, and this is where I plan to do my exercising. This is also going to be our gym, so we have a little bike that the previous owners actually left, but I ordered a treadmill. We're going to get an elliptical as well. So this is definitely going to be a full ready to use gym, which I'm really hyped for because one of my goals in 2020 is to get more fit. Okay, so a cute little quirk about our house that I wanted to mention. In our basement, we have these little cute lights in the window. So I'll show you guys when I turn off the basement lights. Lights are off. It's so cute.
Oh, look at you, little quirk. You crazy?
Whatever. If you're watching a movie downstairs in the basement, you get scared, you could put like a little night light, or it's like, seems like you're outside or whatever. I like it. You don't like it?
Great.
I like it. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna go ahead upstairs and show you guys that now. Okay, so let's go upstairs now. Okay, so the first room we have is at my little sister Aaliyah's room. It's a super cute room. I love the color of the walls, and I'm really excited to see her decorate this and have her own first room. And I really hope that she enjoys this room. And I wanted to thank Aaliyah for helping me film this too. She's behind the camera right now.
Hi.
But here is her closet. She has a huge closet, like way bigger than mine, so I'm kind of jealous. But now let's go into the master bedroom, which is my parents' room. Again, it is really messy, guys, because my mom is organizing. But I'll just show you guys around really quickly. So here is the bedroom. They also have two his and hers walk-in closets, which again, I'll show another day. Maybe you guys are interested because it's a mess, but my dad's closet is actually really nice. So let me go show you guys that.
So this is my dad's walk-in closet. But we will now go into it. It is nicely organized, as you can see.
Okay, so this is the master bathroom. Put the lights on. So they have the his and hers sinks, which we also have in the other bathroom on this floor. And they have the bathtub, a stand-up shower. And they also have another bathroom right here. Okay. Okay, so now moving on to the bathroom, which me and Aaliyah are gonna share. Again, love the his and her sink, which is really convenient when you're all just trying to get ready for work and school. Okay, so this is just a storage cabinet, but I also want to show off this part of our house. I really love how beautiful and timeless the chandelier looks, and I love the light that peers through when you wake up in the morning and you just open the door and see the outside. So I really like that. This room is my older sister's room. As you guys know, she moved out. But this room has a lot of our old furniture from our last room, and you guys probably recognize this painting right here because it's in a lot of my videos. But yeah, so love this room, and I love that it reminds me of home. So whenever Tanisha and her husband Yusuf comes over, they'll be here in this room. So now moving on to my room. So this is my room, guys. You guys will see a lot of videos in this room. So this room used to be yellow and pink, but I wanted it something more neutral and cool tone, so I decided to go with gray and white. This painting I also got, and it literally matches my wall perfectly, so kind of hype about that. So when this room gets furnished, I'm definitely going to be doing a room tour, and once this whole house gets furnished, I'll probably do another room tour as well. So that is my room, and I hope you guys like the house tour so far. That is the end of the video. I just wanted to end it off by thank you guys so much for your support and for watching my videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. All your interactions definitely really help me out, so thank you guys for that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. See you guys in the next video. Bye!